if you have very dry skin and you haven't tried Cerave Moisturising Cream, I think you're missing something that might change your skin. But does it really work on very dry skin? Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also give me a comment. Let me know how you find the video like. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cerave Moisturising Cream. This cream is for dry to very dry skin, and it moisturizes and helps to restore the protective skin barrier of the face and body, and it has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So it's very important. First of all, it's very important to know the type of skin you have. So if you have a very dry skin, let's say you have a oily skin, normal skin, or you have combination of oily to dry, you need to find a product that works for your skin type. So if you have oily skin, you want to make sure you use a product for oily skin type, and if you have a dry skin, you want to make sure you use a product for dry skin to bring the moisture to your skin. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly use Cerave Moisturising Cream. So it is fragrance free and it is very big, and if you haven't seen it before, let me show you how it looks like. So I'm just going to show you with I'm just going to put it here so that you can see it. You can see how thick it is. So this is how it is, and yes, so let's see how to use it properly, because it's very important also to use a product properly. If you don't use a product properly, it's not going to work well on your skin. It's just like when you get medication and you're told to be using it once per day or twice per day, and you end up not using it the way you are prescribed to, the way the doctor told you to use it. It's not going to work. And it's also very important to give a product a little bit of time. Let's see how to use Cerave Moisturising Cream. So and before you start using any product, it's very important for you to read the directions of use. So for this product, directions of use is apply as often as needed, and it's suitable for adults and children. So, and it is fragrance free, so you can use it in the morning. It is a AM and a PM cream, and you can also apply it on your body because it's actually big. It's 340 grams, 12 ounces. So it's a very big product. So the first thing going to cleanse my face, because you don't want to put a cream on a dirty face. So I'm going to clean my face first, and the first thing I'm going to do, it's very important to wash your hands just to avoid transfer of bacteria from your hands to your face. So I'm going to make sure my hands is clean before I start any other process. And for cleanser, I'm going to use Cerave Foaming Cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin, so it cleanses and removes oils without disturbing skin protective barriers. So if you don't know how to use this product properly, I did a video showing you how to. I'll link it on the description box below so that you can go and check it. So I'm going to also read how to use it. Actually, massage the cleanser onto a wet skin, rinse to avoid contact with eye. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water, and it's also fragrance free. I really love this product. It really works well on my skin. So I'm just going to wet my skin first, then I'm going to massage this product into my face. Then you want to take this product and You want to apply it in your hands just a little, because it's really does lather a lot, this product. So I'm just going to lather it on my hands. Then I'm going to apply it on my face. So you can massage this, you can massage it up to 60 seconds. Don't forget your neck, because your neck is part of your face. Well, then you want to pat dry your skin. You want to pat dry your skin. Then here we go. Then you want to take the product. You want to take the Cerave Moisturising Cream, and you want to apply it on your skin. Just a little goes a long way for this product. And you want to apply it all over your skin. Let me know in the comment section below, have you tried this product before? Have you used the Cerave Moisturising Cream before? Have you tried this product before? Let me know in the comment section below. And this is how my skin is. My skin is very, I can feel my skin is very. So after applying this product, my skin is very moistured, and I really like the way my skin is really feeling. So let me know in the comment section below, have you tried this product before? How did it work for you? We are in a very dry season, and you want something, if you have a very dry skin, you want something to bring moisture to your skin. So this is a very good cream for you to try out. It's very moisturizing, and it's very moisturizing, and I can feel my skin is very nice, and it's so soft on my skin. It's very soft on my skin. Then for the products, for the skincare product to work for you well, you want to make sure you follow it with the sun cream if it is during in the morning. So I'm going to use La Roche Posay. This it is 50 SPF, so it's a very good sunscreen, and it is a very good sunscreen, this one. So I'm going to use it during the day. I'm always using this product. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it. This product is very runny, so you want to make sure you use just a little bit of it. And the good thing I like about this product is that it is invisible. It doesn't leave white marks on your face. I'm just looking at the mirror in front of me. Please. My skin is feeling very well moistured, and I really like the way it is. It leaves your skin feeling soft and very nice. So this product, if you have very dry skin, and we are in a very dry season at the moment, so try it out and let me know in the comment section below after trying it how you found it. So I've been using it for a while now, I've been using it for a while now, and I must say the results or the benefits I'm getting from it are very, very amazing. So yes, it's a very nice product, so just go and try it out and let me know. I've been using this for almost 4 months now, and my skin has become my skin has actually become so good with it. So for the product to work well for you, you want to give them ample time. Don't just rush on one product, and before even giving it a little bit of time, then you go to another product. When I used to work on skincare in a skincare company, we were being told, or we were being advised, that when you're giving out a product to somebody, or when you're trying out a product for the first time, you want to give it time for you to see how it's reacting with your skin. And it's very important to follow the directions of use of a product. So each and every product has their own directions of use, and some product actually specify, most product will specify the type of skin. So if you have oily skin, there are products out there for oily skin. So I bought this product in drugstore Boots at 14 pounds, and yes, it has been serving me well, and I do really like it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also watch my other videos, my other skincare videos. I have a lot of skincare videos. I'm actually trying to get monetized on YouTube, so help me to get to 4,000 watch hours by watching my other videos. And yes, I will really appreciate. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about the video, and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.